All right, now welcome to SE Coast and Designs, where I decided to stop and show you the progress of the porch repair. I want to go on record stating that this is an amazing tool to have in your arsenal. It just paid for itself. Now, I use it on very lightweight duties. If you look up the video where I first purchased it, this is where it's showing its worth. So what I have here, my friends, is R2 2x4x12s that I joined up using a biscuit joiner. Here's some of the other tools I've been using for the job. All right, so that's what this is. And underneath this piece, try to get down here safely. You're going to see where I spent Saturday essentially putting in this. So I have what appears to be 2x8s or 6s joined together, primed, and then we have a 4x4 and these cinder block units. Now, in order to, I'm not going to be able to see it from here. In order to get my board in, I had to cut this back that runs from the front of the porch to the back. Two major supports there. I had to cut that back and then support it. Then I could put in this unit here. So yeah, yesterday in the heat wave, this is how I spent my day. So if you ever wonder why contractors come to your house and say, well, you know, we got to add a couple more $1,000s on, it's because of things like this, for example. Watch this. Okay, so there's nothing under there. The ants have foraged here, made their home here, and basically ate all that apart. So these are 4x4s that I put in several years ago to replace the round pillars that typically come. If you look at my neighbor's house, they're round. Mine were literally falling apart. The previous homeowners did not take care of this house. So this has been quite an adventure for me. I really enjoy projects like this. Now, if your stairs do come apart, hold them away from the project. I'm gonna have to fix this as well. Watch this. Yeah. So we'll fix that up. So just add like 3 or 4 times the amount of time onto your project, and add on a couple more, several $1,000 or so, because you just don't know what you're going to get. Clearly, the whole deck needs to be replaced at some point, but this became a major concern of mine. So here you go. This will be a real short video, just to highlight the idea. Now, what I needed to do also was to take the front 3 boards, and I needed to take about that much off, more on this side, and then come across here. So this guy will generate a watershed. So you have to go with the watershed, right? So when it rains, the water comes off, not into the house. And so that's what I'm doing now. Again, this unit is paying for itself as we speak. Okay, highly recommend this. Look out the video on this guy here. I'm trying to find the model number for you, but essentially, oh, there it is. He is DCP 580 planer, and trust me, I'm thrilled that I have this. I was just wondering, how am I going to methodically take off just what I need and leave the rest. This was the answer. It is the answer. All right, look at all that. Look at all those shavings. Thanks for taking some time to watch the progress of porch repair. I'm going to be securing the wood into the beam here, and then the 4x4s to the beam under here. I'm going to be using the Gorilla Glue. Wow, is it strong. That's what I joined this with here. All right, thanks for watching. Really not sure how many more episodes we're going to have here for the porch repair. Hopefully not too many more. I'm running out of summer. Take care. Shalom uvracha. Totzins. Masalami. Shalom uvracha לכל החברים שלי. Bye bye.